former UFC welterweight champion, getting a chance to right the wrong from this past August. Tyron, what did you say to Jake up there just moments ago?
Tomorrow won't be a short night. It's going to be a long night. But nobody going to second guess you after tomorrow night. Thank you for bringing the dog out of me. Tomorrow we battle. Eat well, rest well. It's going to be a fucking fight tomorrow night.
Give it up for the chosen one, Tyron Woodley. Good luck to you, Tyron. And a quick word with the problem child, the undefeated Jake Paul.
Pose up together, guys.
All right, an impromptu pose right here. They fought for the first time back in August in Cleveland. They run it back tomorrow at the Amalie Arena, sold out here in Tampa. Jake, what did you say to Tyron up there?
I said it's fucking go mode. A different Jake Paul you're gonna see this time. We're fucking bucking in the middle of the ring. No funny shit. No funny shit like last time. I'm fucking him up. I'm fucking him up. I'm fucking him up, Burial. I'm fucking him up.
I believe he is going to F up Tyron Woodley. That's what he just said. Jake, good luck to you. Thank you for the time. Can't wait for it. There he is, Jake Paul, the problem child, everyone. Show some love for the undefeated Jake Paul.
You need anything right now? Premium was already escorted by security.